Today I'll be discussing NSCB previous year question on the topic of ecology. Grass seeds trapped in crevices of rock causes its fragmentation in monsoon. This is owing to the phenomenon of. So here first we'll try to understand the question. It's asking grass seeds trapped in crevices. So crevices here means cracks of rocks cause its fragmentation. So rock causes its fragmentation. We're talking about weathering of rock in monsoon, so specifically in rainy season. So let's look at the option. Imbibition by seed coat. As you can see, I've written in green over here. Uptake of water by plant or seed in biological terms. So what do we mean by water taken up by seed coat? So seed coat we're referring to as grass seeds, the seed coat of grass seeds. As we know, seed coat is a tough covering present on the seed. So seed coat here, when it swells up due to the water, it will start expanding. The seed will start expanding and the cracks, they will also increase. The amount of cracks will increase, and as the cracks increase, it will cause fragmentation or fragments of rock falling from the actual rock. So as we saw, imbibition by seed coat will cause swelling of seed, and that will increase the cracks, the amount of cracks, and the rock will start weathering. Now let's look at hydrolysis of minerals by enzymes from seed. Here, as you can see, for the word hydrolysis, I have written here in green, breakdown of a compound due to reaction with water. So hydrolysis here means a chemical process is being taken place in which the enzymes present in seed will be hydrolyzing or breaking down compounds, breaking down minerals from the rock in presence of water, okay, due to the reaction with water. So here chemical reaction is being taking place, okay. I'll come back to it just in a second. Let's look at option 3 first. Pressure of CO2 in respiration. Here I have given the equation, the photosynthesis reaction, and if we take it in the opposite direction, will be respiration reaction. So the amount, as you can see here, the amount of CO2 6, and the amount 6 moles of CO2 and 6 moles of O2, as you can see here, is equal. So the amount of CO2 taken in would be equal to the amount of O2, but we're talking about respiration here, so the amount of O2 taken here would be equal to the amount of CO2 given out. What I'm trying to say is, when there are cracks present in the rock, so the cracks will have some opening through which air passage will take place from the seed and out of the seed, right? So the amount of CO2 coming in would be equal to the amount of O2 coming in would be equal to the amount of CO2 going out. So I don't think external pressure would be applied to the rock for the passage of air to take place over here. So the amount of the pressure applied by CO2 would be nearly negligible over here. Now let's look at the fourth option. Pressure of germinating radicals. What do we know? What are radicals? We know that radical is a root of a baby plant, or we can say a newly germinated or germinating plant's root is called a radical. So pressure of germinating radicals. As we're talking about grass seeds over here, grass seeds are have parallel venation, and also their leaves are very thin and fragile. The amount of pressure produced by fibrous roots will not be equivalent to taproot. Taproot can produce a lot more pressure than a fibrous root. Hence the pressure, pressure produced by grass seeds, the root of grass seeds, radicals of grass seed would not be anywhere equivalent or prominent in case of fragmentation or weathering of rocks. Okay, so coming back to the second option, hydrolysis of minerals by enzymes from seeds. As we know that seeds, there'll be 5 to 6 seeds, or let's take a number of seeds present in the crevices, the cracks of the rock. Enzymatic reaction or hydrolysis would be rather slower and would have less effect on the rock than compared to imbibition by seed coat, as will have quick physical effects seen on the rock due to imbibition by seed coat, but due to hydrolysis of minerals by enzymes from seeds would be comparatively less. Hence, we'll be concluding that option 1 would be the most suited option for this question. Thank you. I hope you understood it well, and if you have any doubts, you can post it in the comment section.